Consistency isn't about grand gestures. It's about the small daily practices that make the biggest impact over time. Whether in leadership, spiritual growth, or personal discipline, consistency helps build the willpower to break through distractions and stay focused on long-term goals. In this video, we'll explore how small actions across different traditions like prayer, mindfulness, and consistent decision-making create lasting habits that lead to success. In the Bible, Ruth demonstrated remarkable consistency in her loyalty and devotion to her mother-in-law, Naomi. Despite the challenges they faced, Ruth's small, consistent acts of faithfulness led to incredible blessings, including becoming the ancestor of King David. This story teaches us the power of consistent, small acts of faith that can ultimately lead to breakthrough moments and help us stay aligned with God's purpose. Angela Merkel is widely regarded as one of the most consistent and pragmatic leaders of her time. Throughout her long tenure as Chancellor of Germany, Merkel consistently focused on stability and long-term planning. Rather than seeking the spotlight or making impulsive decisions, Merkel's steady, thoughtful approach to leadership helped her navigate complex challenges and build lasting trust. Her consistency in making small, disciplined decisions is a lesson in how long-term success is built through daily focus and thoughtful actions. In Confucianism, consistent practice of rituals and respect for social norms is essential to building harmony in relationships and society. Confucius emphasized the importance of daily rituals that align with virtues like respect, kindness, and loyalty. By consistently practicing these virtues, individuals create a foundation for personal growth and social harmony. This shows that consistency in small daily actions can help us break through distractions and cultivate deeper connections with others. Carol Dweck, author of Mindset, teaches that a consistent growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication, is key to achieving success. Dweck's research shows that people who consistently believe in their ability to grow and improve are more resilient and less likely to be distracted by setbacks. This mindset, built through small, consistent actions, helps individuals stay focused on long-term growth rather than short-term success. In many Native American traditions, consistency in connecting with nature is a foundational practice. Daily rituals such as walking mindfully in nature or performing gratitude ceremonies help individuals stay grounded and focused on their spiritual path. By consistently practicing these connections with nature, individuals strengthen their willpower and ability to stay present in the moment. This teaches us that small, consistent actions help break through the distractions of modern life and reconnect us to our spiritual and natural roots. Consistency in small daily actions builds the willpower to break free from distractions and stay focused on long-term goals. Whether it's through spiritual practices, leadership decisions, or mindful rituals, the key to long-term growth is found in small intentional actions. What consistent practice can you commit to today to help build your willpower?